you want to do it again? Lower them back down?
Right, Kyle. See this boat here? Over here. You hold this kind of tight here. Okay, it's going to pull you. Like this so we can pull this thing out of the water.
We need to make sure we don't hit our boat on the way up.
Yeah, we're going to go slowly. In fact, Claire, are you able to go and pull it out away from the boat? Try you winch.
Okay, I winch. So I just turn it? Because I can do that slow. Do I need the handle?
Yeah, the handle's here.
What do you want to do, the winch?
Yeah.
No, but I think I need the two muscles to pull up the boat.
You winch.
Okay. We ready? Too slow? Here it comes. Is it heavy? Watch our fencing. Yeah, it feels weird, right? It's making sure you don't fall over that line behind you, Kyle, okay? And now I'm going to have to put the camera down now, it's too heavy. Sorry, Kyle.
Straining that. We will leave it connected, but we'll just let it out and lay it flat.
Watch out, Kyle. It's going to come down. Feels weird bringing the boat up, right? Well done, muscles. Do you want me to come help? I'll get this one.
That's it?
I know.
That should be it.
It's on it. Does that okay matter?
What's the setting on, buddy? Right, that's this.
There you go. Now you've got a boat in a boat. Happy?
Done. I think that's really good.
We've got our lines, we've got our fenders. Are you ready to party? You want a party, buddy? Let's do this. Look at all those boats. Tell me, Kyle, what are we about to do?
Raft up.
Well, how many boats do you remember?
60.
64. Is it the biggest raft up yet, Daddy?
We've never done another one. So
We've never done one, but I think it's the biggest one in the UAE.
biggest one they've done,
I'm a bit nervous. Yeah, go for it, buddy. Got all those boats, and that's only some of them. I need to wipe it. There was something on the screen.
Can't get a fucking thing.
You ready?
Right on top of them.
Ready? Hey, what about Bear? Go on, Bear. Go on, Bear. Go on. Go on. Go on. Wait, I want Alba out the way first. Go on, Bear.
Come on, boy. Here you come.
Go on. Go on. Hey. Here you go, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Alex the lion. Allicade.
I like the.
Did you like? Penguins are mine. I've done that the wrong way.
Yeah, you fucked it. I'm gonna stop it. You want to try it again? Let's get this dinghy back in the water, boy. Hello.
Hello, you coming to laugh us?
Mom, do you want me?
Well, we don't have an outboard, so maybe that would be nice.
Could you? Would you mind?
I want to come.
To Bear Beach?
Yeah.
Do you want to go with the bears to the beach?
Yeah.
Would you take Kyle with you too? Thank you.
Very long.
Alba's. Okay.
So bring it down, job.
Okay, so how do I bring it down? Release it?
Yeah, a bit slowly, so we don't drop it. First. Don't be with it. Yeah, you might need to.
Right. I'm loose.
No, you're not.
Yeah, my rope's loose.
It's obviously catching on something clear, or it would have fallen down. There's this weight involved.
What's it on? You sure you can't load it?
Yeah, look. Undo it from the winch and just leave it on a one loop.
It's on a one loop. Oh, the clutch is
The
still on.
clutch is on.
Whoops, clutch is on. Right,
Careful,
so
because it's going to go.
okay.
Have you winched all that up with the clutch on?
Yeah. So, ready, Abba? Let's go.
Take us back.
Hold on. Get the next fender. Go, girl. Woohoo.
Now this one.
Next one.
Shh, a minute.
And Marco's back. Should we just tie you here?